Now we study science GK questions on the basis of physics, chemistry, biology. पार्ट नंबर 2. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने 25 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट किए थे. नेक्स्ट सेकंड पार्ट में 25 क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. वाई स्लीपिंग अंडर द ट्री एट नाइट इज हार्मफुल बट नॉट ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम. इट मीन्स when we sleeping in night under the tree is harmful but during daytime is not. It means tree release oxygen during the daytimes and carbon dioxide at night. The carbon dioxide is harmful to human body and oxygen is useful. In these conditions the oxygen is used in daytime by humans and but CO2 at night it is harmful. Besides these other phenomena of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it means during the daytime photosynthesis occurs in the plant. In these conditions photosynthesis, the CO2 accept the plant and release the oxygens by the preparation of food. But in night times the photosynthesis procedure is stopped at night. In these conditions these CO2 by the respiration release these CO2 not used in photosynthesis. In these conditions in night the CO2 excess amount in under the tree. This is the main reason. Depend upon the respiration and photosynthesis process which occurs both procedure in leaves part of the plant. Next, what is the value of on horsepower HP? Its value of horsepower, these are the power of horsepower is 746 watt. This is the power value. Next, which gas is used in the refrigerator? Refrigerator, it means freeze, which are used in at homes. These are the filled with one types of gas which is called freons, but it is all times used of freon. But in modern times use CFC, it means chlorofluorocarbon, combination of chlorofluorocarbons. These are the modern time this type combination of these gases are filled in refrigerator. Next, Nemata disease causes by the consumptions of which metals? Nemata, this is the disease which causes by the consumption of metals. The metal is mercury. When the mercury excess in body, then Nemata disease developed. Its symbol by Hg and atomic number is 80. Next, name the fifth state of matter. Fifth state of matter, it means we study that the matters exist in three states: solid, liquid, gas. But beside these three states, two matter states are discovered, in which fifth state is Bose-Einstein condensed and fourth stage is plasma. Fourth matter stage is plasma and fifth stage is Bose-Einstein condensed methods. Next, name the scientist who discovered neutrons. Neutrons and symbolized by 0 and 1. Its charge is 0. These are discovered by James Chadwick. Next, by which force cream is separate from the milk? These are the answer is centrifugal force. Like this washing machines on the basis of principle of centrifugal force, like this the cream is separate from milk, centrifugal force. Both procedure is similar. Next, name the metals present in hemoglobin. Hemoglobin present in bloods. In this present of metal is iron. Iron then symbolized by Fe and its atomic number is 26. Next, which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? The atmosphere pressures, atmospheric humidity. And next question, which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressures? These both questions are similar. In this instrument, atmospheric humidity is measured by hygrometer and atmospheric pressures measured by barometers. These two questions are similar but differences humidity and pressure. Humidity is moisture contents, present the moisture contents. These are the in atmosphere is measured by the hygrometer, but atmospheric pressures, the in the air conditions, the atmospheres pressurized by the pressure present is measured by the barometer. Next, name of proton in an atom is called, the atoms, the number of protons is called atomic number. These like as a sodiums, these are 11s atomic number. These are called atomic number 11 of sodium. These are represented by Z. These questions repeated in many exams. Next, why the copper of a color of a cow milk appears yellow color? In this color of cow milk appears yellow color due to the presence of riboflavin, beta carotenes. Next, why the grass appear green in colors? It is cow milk appears yellow in color, riboflavin, beta carotenes like as a proteins of riboflavins, type varieties of protein like this. But grass appears green in color due to the reflects green color. The grass reflect green colors. These are the effect of reflects. Next, name the technique of reducing three-dimensional 3D image. Three-dimensional 3D image by the reducing holography. Next, which vitamin is produced in the body by ultraviolet rays? Vitamin is ultraviolet rays, vitamin D. In these conditions, the sun rays fallen on the body oils convert into ultraviolet rays. These produce ultraviolet rays into vitamin D. Next, in biology, catalyst is known as catalyst. Catalyst is enzyme. We know the catalyst useful for the rate of reactions increase yet decrease. We used for increase or decrease rate of reactions. These are called enzymes. Next, phenomena of mirage is based on which principles? It means mirage. These are the imaging basis of ideas. These are the total internal reflection. When the total internal reflection light reflect two basis of mirage phenomena. Next, which instrument is used to detect the directions and magnitude? Direction and magnitude of a current is defined by the galvanometer. These galvanometers defines the direction and magnitude of a current. Current, it means I. It is flow in wires. Next, what is the unit of luminous intensity? Luminous intensity, it is unit is cadilla. Cadilla CD, symbolized by. Next, name the harmful substance present in tobacco. Tobacco harmful substance is present, nicotine. Next, which type of reaction is rusting of iron? The rusting of iron, we know when the add the waters on irons, these are rustings. In this, iron convert into iron oxides to form of the iron into iron oxide. These are accepts receives of oxygen from the waters and convert into oxide phase. These are the chemical reactions in which called is oxidations. Oxidation of iron. Irons oxidize. Next, what is the value of 1 kWh? 1 kilowatt hours. These are the value of 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. And value 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This is the value of 1 kilowatt hours. Next, what is the equation of Ohm law? Ohm law. These are the Ohm law used for identity in current. V is equal to IR, where V is voltage, I is current, ampere, and R is resistance. These are very important equations. V is equal to IR. Next, what is the SI unit of magnetic flux? Magnetic flux is SI unit of Webers. Next, twinkle of a star is based upon the which principle? We know the star is twinkle at night. These are the basis principle of refractions of light. These lights reflect and twinkle out of stars. These reflection of light. These are presents. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.